Entering the world of HVAC formulas. The realm of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, is governed by a set of essential formulas that underpin the design, operation, and maintenance of these systems. These formulas enable professionals to calculate crucial parameters like heat transfer rates. Understanding how heat moves between air, water, and building materials is fundamental for designing efficient and effective HVAC systems. Airflow rates. Ensuring proper air circulation throughout a space is vital for maintaining thermal comfort and indoor air quality. Formulas help determine the necessary airflow rates based on various factors. Equipment sizing. Selecting the right size equipment for a specific application is crucial for optimal performance and energy efficiency. Formulas guide the selection process by considering factors like building size, heat load, and desired comfort level. While delving into the world of HVAC formulas can seem daunting, it's important to remember that you don't need to be a math whiz to grasp the core concepts. Many resources are available to help you understand the logic behind the formulas and apply them effectively in practical scenarios. Here are some key points to keep in mind as you embark on your exploration of HVAC formulas. Focus on understanding the underlying principles, rather than simply memorizing formulas. Strive to understand the physical principles that govern them. This will make it easier to apply them in different contexts and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Start with the basics. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the most fundamental formulas, such as those related to heat transfer and airflow calculations. As you gain confidence, you can gradually progress to more complex formulas. Utilize resources. Don't hesitate to seek help from various resources like textbooks, online tutorials, and professional guidance. Many resources are available to explain the formulas in detail and provide practical examples. Remember, mastering HVAC formulas is a gradual process. With dedication and a willingness to learn, you can gain a deeper understanding of these systems and contribute to their efficient operation and maintenance. Thanks for listening. Check out description for related HVAC books.